Good afternoon, children. Here I am back with a new chapter, Standard 2, subject English, topic reading time. In last chapter, we have learned how to speak, how to ask for permission and make a request. Today, we will learn how to read the sentences with the help of the pictures. Now, let's look at some pictures. Here it is a table, bench and desk. Here some books, chair, chalks and blackboard. Let's see few more pictures. Here it's projector, window, door, charts, cupboard and dustbin. Where do we see all things? We see all these things in a classroom. Look at these pictures carefully. We can see a blackboard, benches, desks, charts, doors, windows and dustbin. With the help of these pictures, we'll read the sentences aloud. So what is it? It's a blackboard. So there is a blackboard on the wall. In my classroom, there is a big blackboard on the wall. What do you see here? Here some chalks. So our teacher writes on it with a chalk. Next, what is it? It's a table. So the class teacher has a table to keep her books on. Then it's a chair. She also has a chair to sit on. Next, it's a desk and bench. We have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on. Can you see the picture of the books and the desk and bench? This we can see in our classroom. So we have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on. Now what do you see here? Here there are two windows and door. So our classroom has door and two windows. Our classroom has a door and two windows. Now what do you see here? Here are some charts. There are many charts on the walls. The charts display children's work on various topics. Now what do you see here? Here is a projector and a whiteboard. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs and stories with the help of the projector. It is fun to watch the films. Yes or not? Students, when we will see on the projector some cartoon pictures. So it's so fun to learn. What is it? It's a cupboard. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. Then it's a dustbin. There is a dustbin in the corner. We keep our classroom clean. We have read about different things that we see in a classroom. That means we have learned with the help of the pictures how to read the sentences about our classroom. Let's do an activity. Here is given one activity. Describe your classroom in 5 sentences with the words given below. Here some words are given. With the help of these words, we learn how to write about our classroom. The words are board, chalk, table, chair, benches, desk, and books. With the help of these words, we'll learn how to write about our classroom. So you have to imagine that is your classroom. So this is my classroom. There is a big blackboard on the wall. In my classroom, there is a big blackboard on the wall. The second word is given chalk. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. Our teacher writes on it. On it means where? On the blackboard. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. The next word is given table. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. Yes, the teacher has a table to keep her books on. Next word is chair. She also has a chair to sit on. So in my classroom, there is a table and chair where the teacher has to keep her books on and she has a chair to sit on. Next is benches. We have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on. In my classroom, there is a benches, desk where we keep our books on. So, we learn with the help of these words how to write, how to describe about a classroom. Let's continue the activity. Here is given some more words. So with the help of these words, we'll try to write about our classroom. The words are charts, projector, doors, windows, cupboard, and dustbin. So with the help of these words, we'll try how to write and read about our classroom. This is my classroom. The first word is given charts. There are many charts on the walls. The charts display children's work on various topics. The next word is projector. In our class, there is a projector in which teacher shows some films, some cartoon shows. So by watching that, it's very fun to learn. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs, and stories with the help of the projector. It is fun to watch the films. Next is doors. Our classroom has door and two windows. So in my classroom, there is a door and two windows. There is a cupboard near the wall and we keep our material there. Then there is a dustbin. There is a dustbin in the corner. We keep our classroom clean. We have learned today how to read the sentences aloud with the help of the pictures of our classroom. Thank you.